Chinese web design will put you on Google's first page. My name is Jeremy. I am the lead software engineer at San Antonio Web Design, and I am going to walk you through how San Antonio customers are getting on Google's first page right now in 2021. First off, they are blogging. Okay, keep that in mind. They are blogging. You have 50 articles, 100 articles, you're going to get on Google's first page in your local area as long as you use those terms. You use San Antonio and then your business. If you are a San Antonio foot massager and you have a website for San Antonio foot massage, if you have 50 articles about San Antonio foot massage and all those articles are, I don't know, maybe 1,000 words per article, you're probably going to rank on the first page at least. Unless there's, I don't know, 50% of San Antonio's foot massagers, then you might not. But if you're in a niche where, the other competition has the worst website ever, doesn't give out much information on their blogs, and maybe there's not a lot of them, you're going to rank. You can probably rank in a few weeks, to be honest with you. Maybe a few months on bigger niches, whatever. But you're gonna rank. If you can get those 50 articles out, you're good. And honestly, if you can write 10 articles in a day, you can be done in a week, right? And Google will probably rank you in like a month or two. So keep that in mind. You put in the work, you're gonna find some success in this. Okay. If you want to get on Google's first page, social media marketing is not gonna do that for you 9 times out of 10. That being said, our website, San Antonio's Web Design, does show up on the second page of Google if you're on a desktop, and so does our Facebook page right after it. I build websites where the GitHub shows up on Google's first page before the website does. And that's in like a matter of months. If you have a very unique name, also, when they Google your name, you're gonna show up first. Okay? So if your business name is I don't know, vanilla coffee bean or something unique. I can't think of anything unique right now. But if your name is unique and somebody Googles it, they're going to find you pretty quickly. If you type in Purple Cereal Custom Web Development, you're going to find them as, I think, the first or second search in there. Let's see here. Custom. Let me type it in and I'll just see if I can prove this here. You can type it in with me if you want. Purple Cereal Custom App Development. This is a very unique name. Okay? Google it. Purple Cereal Custom App Development. After add, that's the first one. PurpleCereal.com. Purple Cereal Custom App Development Company. They rank for that term because they're unique. They don't have any blogs. Look at it. Purple Cereal Custom Web Development Company. Go to the site, purplecereal.com. They are a competing mobile development company. We do website and development, that's still here. They do primarily custom app development. So check them out as well. They're pretty awesome. I recommend them personally. But yeah, check that out. You're gonna love it. But that's pretty much the idea here. If you have a very unique name, and you have articles with that name, if you say, hey, here's my card, check me out, they're gonna find you like that. So that also helps, along with all those blogs you're having. And again, it's gonna vary depending on the niche. If you're a coffee shop, it's gonna take a little bit longer. You might need 200 articles to rank in San Antonio. You might not. But if you're going to be competing with Starbucks, Folgers, Walmart, Amazon, all these big names that sell coffee, because everybody can sell coffee, it's everywhere. It's not as niche. If it's like a particular type of bean, maybe, then probably not. Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, check it out. That's how people are getting Google's first page right now. They're making sure they have lots of articles. They're using long tail keywords, which is something like San Antonio's web design, as opposed to web design, or web design in San Antonio, as opposed to web design. So long tail keywords help a lot, and you want to make sure when you're using a long tail keyword to try to rank your website, you don't want to use that keyword, or I guess key phrase in this instance, 100 times. If your article is only 1,500 words, you don't want to use the term custom web development 100 times. You want to keep it in the 3 to 4% in the amount of words you have. Now that helps, but really what's important, I think, and what we think here is making sure that the article you write actually helps somebody. It answers a question that people are looking for. It's relevant. It's not just some stuff you spit out because you're bored. It's gotta answer a question. It's gotta be helpful. The content has to be good. So keep that in mind as well. If you're trying to rank on Google, you don't want to spit out some stuff. You want to do a little bit of research, make sure your content is long form, a lot of words there. And in some cases, if you write a 3,500 word article, but you can answer the question in 1,000 words or 500, maybe don't use so much filler text. Because what is that? What do you know what I mean? Like, don't try to force it. Make sure it works. And you can use things like Google's you can use their research tools. So Google has this. I'm can't think of the name right now. I guess I need some more coffee. Let's see here. It's Google's. I used it yesterday. I can't think of the word. God dang, let me just Google it. If I Google it, it'll come to me. Google keyword. Is it called Google's keyword? Google Keyword Planner. If you type in Google Keyword Planner, it'll come right up. I think it's like this third term. Oh no, I'm sorry. Google Trends. It's called Google Trends. Duh. Go type in Google Trends and you'll find it pretty quickly. It's called Google Trends. So go to googletrends.com. You can go on here on this website, and you can go enter a search term, like maybe you're a shoe salesman. Type in shoes, and then it'll tell you like relevant words for shoes and what's ranking. You can go on there and see what's been ranking for the past 12 months. In Mississippi, it's looked up a lot. Alabama less, New York less, Louisiana less, Tennessee less than that. There's a lot of things that are searched a ton, in the millions, for the word shoes. Right now, a lot of that has to do with a controversial rapper, Lil Nas X, apparently. So that's fun. But yeah, you can use Google Trend to kind of find out, what words have been looked up as much. But really, if you can answer the questions that people are looking for in your niche, you're more than likely to rank on Google's first page very quickly. As opposed to a website that doesn't have any articles, isn't on YouTube or social media, they're not going to get really that much traffic. Google rewards companies and websites that have authority, and authority looks like a website that has a bunch of information on it, a bunch of pages, blog articles helping people out, and they're on social media, right? Even if you have like one follower on social media for whatever reason, you're still on social media, so you're still more relevant than a person who doesn't have any followers in social media or is not on social media at all. So don't be the company that has no social media and no articles, because you're not going to rank. Even if you rank first for Google Maps term in your area, when they go to your reviews, if you don't have a lot of those, not going to help either, but when they go to your reviews and then they go to your social media, they're going to say, okay, why isn't this 20-year-old company on social media? Why doesn't anybody like them? Or are they really a 20? They're going to start questioning your brand. They're going to start questioning your authority, your domain authority. And so will Google. So keep that in mind as you're trying to rank on Google's first page. All right, well, that's all for this video. It's getting kind of long. If you like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe. Check out our website, San Antonio's Web Design, for more information like this. You can check out our blog page or watch more of our videos. Our blog page is blog page is sanantonioswebdesign.com/blog. And we look forward to hearing you to develop your website, app, or do your SEO. Thank you.